Hey there, Martin here, and I've just come back from physio session number 4 of Project Rebuild after my car crash. So today we worked on the lower back because I'm getting the most pain and discomfort in my shoulder and my lower back. And the lower back is kind of why I'm hobbling a little bit. So he hooked me up to that machine again. He electrified me. Here's the interesting thing. Wasn't so bad today. Wasn't so weird today. Wasn't so uncomfortable today. I think there's a lesson in life about that, right? The first time we do something, it might feel weird. It might feel uncomfortable. That in itself might make us not want to do it. But we do it, and then next time we do it, it's not so bad. And the next time we do it, it's not so bad. Repetition is the mother of skill, says one of my mentors. Practice makes perfect is another one, right? So sometimes we just got to keep going, keep doing that thing, and actually it's not as bad as we think, and we get used to it and we get the benefit from it. That's the most important thing. When it comes to that physio massage though, that really gets in there on the lower back, yeah, that's smarts. That literally took my breath away today, so we've definitely got some work to do on that. But at the end of the day, I'm feeling a heck of a lot better than I was physically, last week or the week before. So it's one step at a time, one session at a time, one exercise at a time, and one day at a time. And that's life, right? And as long as we've got that goal of where we want to get to, and in this case it's full fitness, and I've got some crazy things I want to get and do, so I've got my focus on those, I'll get fit and healthy for that. And we've worked really hard so that I could be on that speaking panel at the Burnout event the other day, and I'm so pleased that I did, because it was an absolute privilege. It was an amazing experience all round, and we're capable of incredible things, even when the world seems crazy, even when we're in discomfort, even when it feels like there's a massive storm. Sometimes we can be the eye of the storm, and that's certainly been a lesson recently. So that's me. I hope you find this useful. I hope you find some message here. And until next time, and I know I've been talking about the physical side, I am going to talk about a couple of other things over the next week as well, and get honest with you about those, and hopefully reassure you and give you some supportive messages on that. So looking forward to that. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, keep rebuilding.